You ready? Adiko diko. Adiko diko. You ready, Nitro? Adiko diko. Adiko diko. Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back! Si Pagvlog the vlog. Huh?
He's sleeping.
Oh, Nitro! Nitro fell
I
asleep!
knew it.
Oh my gosh. Nandito kami sa park ngayon, dito sa Australia. Plano sana namin maglaro si Nitro, kaso natutulog na siya.
Kasi ano ngayon? Past 12, alauna yung...
Well, it's 12:30.
Yeah, alauna yung bedtime, nap time niya.
30 minutes pa dapat, Nitro! Uy! Tulog na agad!
Pagod na pagod.
Uwi na kami. Uwi na agad. Buti na lang walking distance yung bahay namin, so Nitro can go to sleep.
And so, uwi muna tayo kasi natulog ang boss. Ang
Tulog si
mayor. Natulog. Hindi nagsabi. Naantok na pala.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind.
Oh, hello baby Nitro. You're awake. Hey.
He's watching himself.
Oh, you're reacting to your own videos again, are you? Yes. Oh, you just woke up. Bagang gising lang, ha? Yes.
Showing you your dragon.
Wow, that's a big dragon. Hey, and another big dragon. Grabe. Go.
Kaluluwa.
Ano?
Kita na akong kaluluwa.
Saan?
Hindi.
So, Adventure Fam, we are back sa mga regular vlogs namin. Matagal kaming nawala, no? Yes.
Ikaw lang. Punta kayo sa channel ko, may upload ako doon. Hindi ako nawala.
Ayun. Baby Nitro, magkakaroon ka din ng YouTube channel. Ano? Nitro? Yes. Sarili mong channel. So, si Nitro, biglang nagsasalita na siya. Biglang nagsasabi na siya ng mga words. It's just like one day gumising siya at like, kaya na niya magbigkas ng mga words. Oh, you like them, don't you? Yeah, they're yummy, aren't they? Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Actually, hindi yan masarap.
Nitro loves them, eh.
Yeah.
Pero hindi sila masyadong masarap.
Parang yucky. Yung flavor, no?
Bro, gusto ni Nitro. He gets that from you. Kasi ikaw, sobrang weird ng mga lasa na gusto mo. Hey, baby. Yes.
Baka gutom na gutom lang yan. Gutom ka lang ga, Nitro. Kakanta kami ni Baby Nitro. Nitro, let's sing. Bayang magiliw, pearl sa silanganan. Hindi. Si Nitro po, kumakanta po siya ng love you. Kumakain pa siya. Mamaya kakanta yan. Mami lang muna. Love you. See? Let's sing. 1, 2, 3, go. Love you.
Sing it.
Nako.
Hallie. Say grandpa.
Papa,
Say daddy.
Daddy,
Yay. Say mommy.
Mommy,
Yay. You say kangaroo. Yeah, very good. You say ulo. Yay! You sing love you. Nitro, do you want pizza?
Peter,
Yeah, pizza. We'll get you pizza. What about Nana? Banana? Nitro?
Nana,
Yeah, a Nana?
Mio,
You want Mio? Your pinsan, si Mio. Mio? Nasaan si Mio? Wala dito si Mio. What's that, Nitro? What's that? Yeah, that's a door. Yeah, okay, we open it. Open the door. Okay, ready? What's that, Nitro? What? A what? Door, yes, it's a door. Alright, let's open the door. Okay. There you go. Yan, malaya ka na. Once again, go, baby Nitro, off to explore the world. Ayan, so Nitro is talking na. Nagsasalita na siya, diba? Ang galing. Ang galing ng bebeng yan. Ang galing. Woohoo! What's that, Nitro, huh? Oh, look at all the ants. Ants. Can you say ant? Yeah? Ants, hey. Yeah. Lots of ants, hey. Nasa edad na si Nitro na he's copying everything. Yeah.
Mommy.
Daddy and Mommy.
Mommy.
Mommy, nagtatae si Mommy. Mommy's doing a poo-poo. Poo-poo. Can you say poo-poo? Poo-poo. Say poo-poo. No, poo-poo. Is that the sound you make when you're doing a poo-poo?
Mama. Mio.
Mio, wala si Mio. Wala si Mio, baby. Wala si Mio. Papa? Sabi niya, Papa, pero that means grandpa, lolo. Diba?
This beautiful life.
Hey Dwaine fam, naka-install na ba kayo ng PhilTalk app? Yun yung app na ginawa namin. It is a dating app, so baka andun ang forever nyo. Malay mo. Check it out guys, philtalk.net. Kung Android ang ginagamit mo, search philtalk.net on your web browser. Or kung iPhone ang ginagamit mo, search PhilTalk sa App Store. Si Nitro, hindi siya natatakot sa kahit ano. Delikado yan. Kasi lalapitan niya yung mga bagay na delikado sa kanya. Hey baby. Yeah, what's that? Huh? Lots of ants, hey. Yes. Lots of ants. Be careful. Nangangagat sila. Yes. Nangangagat mga ants. Are you gonna come in the car, Nitro?
Huh?
Yeah?
Come here.
Let's get in the car. Mommy put you in the car? Huh?
Come on.
Come on. Let's go in
Come
the
on.
car.
Let's go in the car.
Sakay na, sakay na.
Beep, beep.
Alabang.
Bye. Mommy.
Yeah, you go in the car seat.
Pasok na si Baby Nitro sa car.
Kabugat niyo bata.
Pasok na, baby.
Yes.
Can you sing please? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait. Yeah, I'll get that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, you sing for me. Nitro, can you sing with mommy? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Dito tayo sa Carl's Jr. pala. Sorry.
Let's get some food.
Hi, welcome to Carl's. Place your order when you're ready.
Anong gusto mo?
Just give Nitro tenders.
Do I get large for $1? No, I'll just go regular for that one.
Was it just Coke for the drink?
Yeah.
Was that everything?
Do you want anything, Sean? Yep, that's it.
Drive to the second window when you're ready.
You didn't say thank you.
Put the 6 nuggets and then the 20 steel Christmas medium
Yep.
is a Coke for the drink.
Yep.
Nitro, you say thank you? Say
Just-
thank you.
Just keep the change so good. It's only 10 cents. Tanongin ko sila sana, wala ba kayong chicken joy?
Da? It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Hey, yo, check my flow.
So wakas, we made it to the park. Hey baby. Yes, and you wanna eat? You wanna eat some nuggets? Okay, hang on. Teka lang ha. Let me get you some nuggets. Okay, dito. Why don't you say hot? Hot. Yeah. Oh, it's very hot, isn't it? Yes. Here we go. Sayang, walang Jollibee dito sa Australia. Ano ba yan? Oh, look, yeah, you got a chippy. You got a chippy, there's a nugget for ya. Chicken nugget. It's a kid's nugget. Yes. Woohoo! So, ayan, Dwaine fam, kakain muna kami. Hey, baby. Yes. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So, ayan po ang update sa buhay namin. Balikan tayo sa regular vlogs and minsan po yung mga skit, short skit videos. And syempre sa channel ni Shanta, yan yung araw-araw na vlogs, di ba, Shan? Daily upload.
Guys, sa channel ko, Shanta Woolley.
Ayun.
Yes, baby. Can you sing for mommy? La you. Di ba you sang with mommy?
I-play ko yung theme song namin. Because usually he sings the Dwaine theme song. Ready?
La a a a.
He just goes ooh. Twinkle, twinkle, little
Star.
Yay!
How I wonder what you are. Can you say star?
Da.
Can you say water?
You're beautiful.